In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. Whether you use it to quickly access your most visited sites or to keep your digital workspace tidy, the Favorites bar is an essential tool that can significantly enhance your browsing experience. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, we need to open Microsoft Edge, and to begin customizing, move your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. There, you'll spot a cluster of 3 horizontal dots. This icon is your gateway to a host of settings and options. Clicking on these 3 dots will immediately present you with a drop-down menu offering a buffet of useful features and tools. Let's go ahead and click on Settings from this menu. By doing so, you are navigating to the heart of Edge's customizable features. Once you're inside the Settings menu, your next stop is Appearance. The Appearance section governs all things related to how Edge looks and feels. By customizing these options, you can tailor the browser to better fit your needs, ensuring that it's not only functional, but also pleasing to the eye. Now, with the Appearance settings in front of you, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Toolbar. This section allows you to modify several elements that appear at the top of your browser, including the all-important Favorites bar. Upon reaching the Toolbar settings, you should notice an option linked to the Favorites bar. To the right of this option, there's another drop-down menu. This is where you get to dictate when your Favorites bar should be visible. Your 3 options are Always, Never, and Only on new tabs, each catering to different user preferences. Choosing Always will ensure that your Favorites bar is visible at all times when you are browsing, making it perfect if you frequently use the same sites and want quick access. Selecting Never will hide the bar permanently, ideal for those who desire a minimalist look. Lastly, the Only on New Tabs option strikes a balance, showing the bar only when you open a new tab, which can help maintain a clean workspace while still having easy access to your bookmarks when you start fresh with a new tab. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. These changes allow you to have full control over how you interact with your favorite sites, enhancing your efficiency and the overall browsing experience. As you become more accustomed to these settings, feel free to revisit and tweak them as your browsing habits change over time. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy browsing.